Hello YouTube, welcome to Urban School. My name is Satyendra, and in this video I'm going to cover some very basic things in MATLAB GUI. And the first thing I would like to cover is how to create a new folder with the by pressing some button. Okay, then we will learn how to import some files, some Excel data or some other files, any folder, any images, how to import these things on MATLAB GUI. Then once you opens the folders and files, then how to close them with the help of a button. Just by pressing the button you can close the file. So these all the things I'm going to cover in this video. So let's start with MATLAB. Now in order to demonstrate the things, I already made a GUI here, so I'll just demonstrate you the things what I want to make here. Okay, I want to make a folder called Dark Knight. Okay, I want to create this folder where, let's suppose on my desktop. Okay, I want to create this folder on my desktop. Okay, it is showing project created. Let's just check, is it created or not. Okay, something called Dark Knight should be here. Okay, something got wrong. Okay, I'll make it again. Okay, I'll do this process again. I want to make a folder called Dark Knight. Okay, I'll create it, project created. Let's see it is created or not here. Okay, something called Dark Knight, yes, here it is. Okay, so now in this way you can create a new project here or a new folder. Okay, now I want to, suppose I want to import some data here. Okay, I want to import some file. Let's suppose I have some Excel files in my computer E drive. Okay, I have some data here, so this data will get imported automatically here. Okay, and it will show me a message when it will get imported. Okay, now the data is imported. Now as soon as I press this OK, this window should close, and it is closed. Okay, so this thing, how to do these things in MATLAB, and whenever I press this close project, the whole project will get closed. So we will learn this all the things how to do these all stuff in MATLAB GUI. Okay, so started with it bare bone here. Okay, now I'll open its M file. Okay, here is the M file. Now I will directly show you how I have done this. Okay, I'll directly show you. Let's suppose I want to go for import callback. First of all, I'll just cover this. Okay, this video has some parts, so I will just explain how this button work, this browse. Okay, how I get this path when I press this. Okay, this path get here, how to do this. Okay, so this is the code for that. I'll explain each line. Okay, first of all, I will get this by this command. Directly will get open. By this command I will I will have some string which has the value of slash only. Then I will get I will concatenate these string with the our value, this UI directory value. It will get the path of that UI. Okay, then I will set the handles of the file name and with the name of the string, and this string will get updated with the value of p. So zoom it again. Okay, what I have done in this line will get the path of the current directory. Okay, this line, what this will line do, this will add add a slash to the path. Okay, this slash to the path, so that I can create a new folder on the same path. So I need to add, I need to concate this path, and this path with this slash. Okay, not this slash, actually this slash, yes. So this will concate the slash. So here it will be something like some file name, some folder slash this thing. Okay, this will get created as you see here. Whenever I press browse, it will go, it will take, this is the path. Okay, this is the whole path here up to here, and I added one slash here, this slash. Okay, so and thereafter I transfer this value to the command window, and from the command window I will transfer this data to somewhere else where I need to use it. Okay, now this thing is done. Now what else? Create. I will go to the create and see how to create the thing. Okay, so how to create it? Okay, first of all, it will get the path where we need to create it. Okay, it will get the string name. Okay, the whole string name, which was I have mentioned here. Look here, this file name, and I am getting this string here. Okay, the exact string will get transferred here, and now I have this value in my X. So I will make a directory in the X. So X is the path of the directory, which will make a folder in the X directory with the name of after the slash. Okay, it will get the data. I have get the data in P now. Okay, from here setup data, this will transfer the data to the command window, and from the command window I am importing this data with the help of the getup data. Okay, setup data and getup data. Setup data is used to transfer the data from GUI to the command window, and getup data is used to take the data from the command window to GUI. Okay, then message will show as soon as the folder is created. A message will show that folder is created now. Now it will show you the path of the folder, and it will also show you on the command window what was the older folder and what is the new folder, and as soon as you press the OK, it will get closed. Okay, so now as it is completed, I will cover the next thing, which is importing some data from any folder. Okay, how does it work? Okay, let's see what it will be like. It will be like import some physical data, planning tool data, let's suppose here. So I will get import the data from this file. Okay, so how I will do this? Let's see. I'll go to the import here, import drive test data, let's suppose. So it will open this import drive test data. So I need to open this file, import drive test data. Okay, here go to the import. Okay, now so these all are the things which you just need to do for importing some data. I will explain each line by line. Okay, first of all, in this line UI get file, it will get the file name with, it will look for the files with the extension of .xls. If you want to open all the kind of the files, then you just you can just leave it like this only. Okay, blank. Then I will set the file name with the path of the file. Let's suppose here this P will have the path of the file. Now this path of the file will get set into the file name in the string value. Now drive test data, this drive test variable will read the data of P. P is the path. Okay, P is still the path. So this XLS read is the command to read the Excel files in MATLAB from any folder. So P will show the folder and the file name, and XLS read, this command will read the data from the XLS file. Okay, now if I want to transfer this data in my MATLAB workspace, let me zoom it so that you can watch it carefully. Okay, now this data transfer assign in, ASSIGNIN this will assign the data into the base. What is base? Base is my command window workspace. Okay, now setup data will set the data into the set the data in my command window with the name of a variable drive test, and drive test here is what it has the data of the XLS file. Okay, so in the short, what I just said, I've said this P will have the file path of the Excel file, then this drive test data will read the path as P with the help of the XLS read command. Okay, now we will transfer the data to MATLAB workspace with the help of assign in. This is the command for transferring the data from the from MATLAB GUI to workspace, or from anywhere to workspace. And setup data is command to transfer the data or the variables from anywhere to MATLAB command window. Okay, so that's how you can transfer or import the data from the MATLAB GUI. And this is the message. It will as soon as the file import activity will get complete, this message will show that the data is imported. Okay, and this close, this will close the file automatically. As soon as the everything get executed, it will close the GUI. So that's why the closing effect will get executed in MATLAB here. I guess that's it for this video. In the next video we will see some more exciting things about MATLAB GUI. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel. Write me your queries. If you have some problem, just let me know. My email address is given in the description box. So thanks again for watching the video. So please do visit my website. My website name is www.urbanschool.in. okay, please give me a visit. Follow me on Facebook. My Facebook and other social network is given in the description box. So thanks a lot again. See you in the next one.